Machiegni kendo nyako Ramogi e kinde ma put mane olosi mar Senate dhi nyime gi timo nonro ewi tije ma jo Kenya dhi manyo e pinje ma oko. Kambi mar First Choice pod dhi nyime gi yudo ywak kowuok kuom jonyuol gi rowere ma ichichnino mag kambino. Jataa tije Judy Jepchirchir wacho ni oseduoko omenda ne jonyuol ma nyithindegi ne ok oyudo thuolo mar yudo tije e pinje ma oko. Jepchirchir owacho ni entiere gi oboke te mane ichulo godo pesa kendo ikore mar chopo e mbele Senate.
For fact finding, niko tayari kukana wanachama wa Labour katika Senate. Earlier on, I was confident that the Senate will do this thing fairly. But from the last sitting, I can charge that it is a one-sided kind of a Labour committee. Because if I wasn't given the right to respond, and from where we sit, we know that Senate has a status of High Court. And High Court, both parties need to be heard equally. And therefore, equally and fairly. And therefore, Senate has not given me that fairness. And I call upon the Speaker of the Senate to ensure that what we requested from the Senate committee, because I wrote to the Senate and asked the chair, I need a list of all the petitioners to sign consent that they've given the petitioner the right to petition before the Senate. And therefore, from there, I can be able to charge whether those are my clients or not, or there are people who have been just